Okay, this game is called Operation, and we're just going to work on addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with single-digit numbers using a regular deck of cards. Remove the face cards, and we'll play with the remaining cards. You can play with 2, 3, 4 people. Each person will get 6 cards to start. And they'll place those 6 cards down in front of them face up. And then they'll take 2 more cards from the deck and lay them face up in the middle. Now we can use any operation between these 2 cards to create a value that equals one of our values, or a value where the last digit equals one of our values. So for example, 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 ends with a 2, so I could play my 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. If I had a 4, I could play that. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 minus 4, 8 divided by 4 was 2. 8 times 4 is 32, so those are kind of my options. We're going to take turns playing back and forth. It's not a speed game for my class. So I would play one of my cards, and I get to choose where I'm going to play my card, on which side. For now, there's so many cards, it probably doesn't really matter. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, and I'll play there. The goal of the game is to get rid of all of your cards. How did you get that one?
8 plus 2 is 10.
Awesome. And then, so 10 minus 2 is 8. I don't have that. 10 plus 2 is 12. I don't have a 2. 10 times 2 is 20. I don't have a 20, but something I forgot to say is that the 10s are the same as a 0. So I could play my 10 because the product of those 2 is 20 and it ends with a 0. Or I could go 10 divided by 2 is 5. And I'm going to take that route because I think that one's a bit better. And I'll put that there.
And 5 times 2 is 10.
And 10 minus 5 is 5.
Ten divided by 5 is 2.
And 2 times 5 is 10.
Can't do anything.
Okay, so when one person can't do anything, then the other person gets a chance. And if I look at these, 5 times 10 is 50. Minus 5 from 10 is 5. There's really no way. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Nothing works for the cards that I have. So neither of us can play. It was Nicole's turn to play. We both get a new card, and we can put one card on one of those 2 piles. And it's Nicole's turn to play.
Okay.
I don't think I'm seeing a solution there. And I don't see one for myself either.
Nope.
So we do the same thing again. One new card for each of us, and one more card on pile here.
And 10 minus 9 is 1. Oh, doesn't matter. You got something.
10 minus 9 is 10 minus 1 is 9.
9 minus 1 is 8.
8 times 9 is 72. 9 divided by 8 doesn't really work for the whole number. And 9 plus 8 is 17. That doesn't help either. So I can't play.
Can I do a 7 to 17?
Yeah,
Yes.
8 plus 9 is 17, so you
So
can
I'll
then
use the
play.
last one, and 9 times, yeah.
Okay,
7
so my turn. That's 8 minus 7 is 1. 8 times 7 is 56. That doesn't help. I don't think I can play.
And I can, because I have a 6 for 56.
There you go. 6 times 7 is 42. ooh, 7 plus 6 is 13. So I can play that there.
7, 21, 10, 4, no.
Okay, so my turn. 7 plus 3 is 10.
No.
And I can't play either. And we would continue on until one person gets rid of all of their cards. And that person would be the winner.
9, 10, 11. No.
10 minus 1 is 9 for me.
No.
Me neither. So we continue on. And it was Nicole's turn when neither of us could play, so she
Did
gets
we
to
put
go
more
again.
down here? No.
I did, yeah.
Okay. 10, 9. No.
Not looking good for me either.
No.
You can't go?
No. Double check me, but no.
Okay, so 10 plus 4 is 14, so I can go.
Yeah.
That gives us 8. Just gets rid of that 10. Or sorry, I guess, yeah, it gives us
Okay.
a combo
4
of 8.
plus 4 is 8.
Good, and I don't know. 8 minus 4 is 4. 32, no. 2, no. I can't play.
8, 9, 10, 12. Nope.
You neither? But it was my turn, right? So I get to go next. Okay. The game will continue on in this fashion. If this deck of cards runs out, we would take these two cards, shuffle them up, and start over again with those two cards.